Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial of drawing a 3D butterfly, and you can use any kinds of colors you want. The setup I will do with a Staedtler fineliner, but of course you can also do this with a graphite pencil so that you can correct your drawing should you make little mistakes. First I draw in the right wing, and I also place dots in the edge of the wing. Here is the second wing, and I draw in some veins of course, and also here I draw in those dots. Now the left wing is much bigger than the right wing. That is needed for the 3D effect. Also in this wing I draw in that edge with those rounded dots. Here you can see the head and the body, and then I'm simply drawing in the last wing, also with those dots. Then it's time to give your butterfly some color. I've chosen yellow, simple yellow marker, and I also place over this a little bit of orange. But of course you can choose any color you want. Now I take my black brush pen and I start coloring in the edges of the wings. Now you can see why I've drawn in those little circles, because I put the black in around those little circles, and that will appear as little white dots as markings on the wings. I try to color in the black edge as carefully as possible, and here I do it for the last one. You can also draw in some little black stripes on those wings themselves. Now what is also very important is the shadow underneath your butterfly. Make sure that the shadow close to the butterfly is a little bit darker than farther away from the butterfly. So I simply draw in a vague shadow of a small butterfly underneath our big butterfly. Then I ease in the shadow with my finger. Now it's time to decide where to place the edge of the sheet that the butterfly is flying over. And then the fun part comes. I will cut out carefully around the wings and aside the line that I've drawn in with the graphite pencil. It's quite a easy figure to cut out, and then your drawing is finished. All you have to do now is take your mobile phone or a camera and decide the correct angle and make the most magnificent pictures you can. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you will give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.